Welcome to SyntaxShift, an AI-powered assistant designed specifically for PLC programmers and automation engineers. In this short demonstration, I'll show you how SyntaxShift helps you understand, translate, modify, and optimize PLC code in just a few seconds. Let's start with the explain function. Here, we have an instruction list, or IL program, controlling a ventilation system. Instead of manually analyzing every instruction, SyntaxShift provides a detailed explanation of the complete program. The AI identifies inputs, outputs, internal variables, operating modes, threshold values, alarms, and control logic. It explains exactly how the program behaves when ventilation stages are activated and how temperature and CO2 levels influence the system. Within seconds, a complete technical description is generated, making it easier to understand existing code, review projects, or onboard new team members. Next, let's take a look at the side chat. The side chat acts as an automation-focused AI assistant. You can ask questions about TIA portal, CodeSys, PLC programming, function blocks, industrial communication, troubleshooting, and many other automation topics. This allows engineers to get instant answers without leaving their development workflow. Now let's move on to the translate function. With a single request, SyntaxShift converts the complete IL program into CodeSys structured text. The translation preserves the original logic while generating clean and readable code. In addition, the AI provides comments, explanations, and answers follow-up questions about the generated result. This makes migration between PLC platforms significantly faster and reduces manual conversion effort. Next, we'll use the edit function. Instead of manually rewriting code, you simply describe the desired modification. The AI asks targeted questions when clarification is required, and then generates an updated version of the program. Multiple versions can be compared directly within the interface, allowing you to switch between revisions at any time. Once the desired result has been achieved, the final program can be exported as an open PLC-compatible file. Good, we can export the final project. This project can be imported directly into CodeSys. In CodeSys, we can see that the program is error-free and ready to use. Now let's test the program based on the defined functions. First, we activate manual mode. The ventilation immediately starts at level 1, independent of temperature or CO2 levels. Next, we deactivate manual mode. With normal values, CO2 at 900 parts per million and temperature at 28 degrees, the system automatically runs at level 1. Now, we increase the values to CO2 at 1,200 parts per million. The system automatically switches to level 2. Finally, we test the alarm thresholds. At 60 degrees temperature and 2,000 parts per million CO2, the alarm remains inactive. Only at 61 degrees and 2,100 parts per million CO2 does the general alarm get triggered. That's how simple automatic code transformation works with SyntaxShift.